Now, let's talk about the trapezoidal rule. The trapezoidal rule says that if I have an area bounded by A and by B, I can just draw multiple of trapeziums and find the area of each trapezium. It's like this trapezium have area 1, and this is have area 2, and this is area 3, and this is area 4, and area 5. So we can say that the integration from A to B, which is the area of f of x, is approximately equal to area 1 of the trapezium 1 plus trapezium 2 plus trapezium 3 plus 4 and plus 5. And there is already a rule that it's given in your formula booklet. It says that integration from A to B of fx dx is simply equal to half times b minus a over n. N is simply the number of trapeziums formed. The number of trapeziums formed. So it's always, let's say I have how many values in here? In this case, I have 1 value, 2 value, 3 values, 4 values, 5 values, and 6 values. So in this case, the value of n is equal, I have 5 trapeziums for 5 values, is always equal to 6 minus 1. So in this case, number of trapezium is 5. So always n is equal to the number of values minus 1. Always the value of n is equal to number of values minus 1. And then I multiply times y naught, the first y value, plus yn. This is yn. Y naught is the first value, and yn is the last value, plus 2 times y1 to yn minus 1. These are the values in the middle. Let's see an example now to demonstrate what we said. Estimate the area under a curve over the internal from 4 to 12, the x values. We have the x values and the y values given in the following table. So now to find the area, we need the integral from 4 to 12 of f of x dx, and this is approximately equal to half times b minus 1, I have the b to be 12, the biggest value of x, minus a, which is 4, divided by n. In this case, how many values do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is simply equal to 5 minus 1, and it's equal to 4. So n is equal to 4. All of this, I multiply it by y naught, which is the first y value, which is 5, plus yn, which is the last y value, which is 4, plus 2 times y1, the middle values now. I here add the middle values, which are 13 plus 10 plus 3. and I close bracket, and I close the big bracket as well. So the area now is approximately equal to, I use my graphical display calculator to find its values. I have half times 12 minus 4 over 4, and I open a big bracket because this is times also 5 plus 4 plus open another plus 2 times open another bracket 13 plus 10 plus 3. We have to close the red bracket and we have to close the blue bracket again and execute, and this will give me 61. So the approximation of this area using the trapezoidal rule is 61 units.